Hey guys, this is Shinoo again with Kinetic. Thanks for coming back to our channel. As many of you know, we've developed hundreds of parts for these Elises, and sometimes those products are developed from hardcore engineering, analysis and problem solving. Other times they happen to be just from an interesting experience that we've had. The HNTpad, our heel and toe pad, is one such product that certainly had some engineering to develop, but the inspiration actually came from a much more rudimentary or simple idea. An idea that I actually found in Japan, of all places. So I wanted to talk to you about how we came about developing the HNTpad and what was the origin of that whole product. I happened to be in Japan. It was in 2004 for the 50th anniversary of Classic Team Lotus in Japan. I was a guest of Garage Shamaya, and we went to the Twin Ring Motegi, where a lot of vendors and Lotus enthusiasts were gathered to celebrate this festive occasion. The owner of Garage Shamaya, or some of you guys may know as Toy Box, tossed me the keys to his 111R, which is essentially the Toyota-powered Elise. And he said, hey, take it for a drive during parade laps. And so I jumped in the car, right-hand drive, getting myself a bit familiar with the car, doing some laps on the track, and started realizing, hey, wait, heel and toe is working really, really well on this car. Why is the brake pedal different from our cars? Get back to the paddock, I jump out of the car, stick my head down in the footwell. What do I see but a block of wood screwed to the brake pedal? So I thought, brilliant, there it is. Light bulb went on in my head. I said, that's all we need is a pedal riser. That would be a fairly straightforward fix. So flew back to the US with that idea in mind and realized that could we come up with a solution for our HNTpad or heel and toe pad. And what we wanted to do though was create something that still paid a proper tribute to the beauty of this iconic design of these extruded pedals. This is Richard Rackham's, one of his most brilliant designs, and something that's so iconic to those of us who love the brand. So when we created our solution, though it's fully machined, it was designed to look like an extrusion. Our HNTpad was designed to address one of the fundamental problems with the 04-05 Elise Exige, and that is the difficulty of executing a heel and toe downshift on these cars. The brake pedal face would fall below the face or plane of the accelerator, so it's quite difficult to execute a heel and toe downshift smoothly. But what I want to show you is the ease in which this installs. And so effectively, we designed this thing to look like the extrusion of this pedal, but it's actually machined. But it simply slides over the face of the brake pedal, just like that. And then it has two bolts that you tighten down to lock it to the face of the brake pedal. We designed this thing to have some lateral adjustment. So if you have a narrow foot, you can bring it closer to the accelerator, or if you have a wide foot, you can bring it away from the accelerator. Again, you just lock these down with an Allen wrench, and it's locked in for good. So anyhow, one of our favorite products that we developed back in the Sector 111 days. We've got these in stock in silver. Occasionally we have them in red. But there you go, it's that simple, works like a charm. So there it is, guys. That's the quick origin story for our HNTpad, product that's been loved by hundreds of customers all over the world. And yeah, the inspiration was a block of wood. So there it is. Thanks guys for watching. Please make sure you subscribe to our channel, and we'll see you next time.